apologize, but
What's that noise that I hear in the background?
I apologize for this inconvenience. Now it's much better.
Like, what is that like? I keep on hearing this rumbling sound. Is that coming from you?
I do apologize for this. I'm also hearing the same voice, and I was thinking it's coming from you. I do apologize.
Oh no, it's not coming from me. I thought it was coming from you. I didn't know if you were in the bathroom or something.
I do apologize for that. I'm on the order taking line of Papa John. So this is the order taking line of Papa John. I'm not talking with you from.
Like, I keep on hearing that. That's so weird.
Yes, that is.
I don't understand what that noise. It's so weird.
Mr. Jeffrey, can you